In this tutorial video, we will talk about how to take your solid model that you have imported into the slicer program, and after you have sliced the model, we're going to talk about how to export the code, the GNM code, from the program to your 3D printer. And we have the slicer program open here, which we will use. And then the other thing you have to be mindful of is we have these USB to card reader devices, which you can see an image of it here. And then we also have some SD cards. And so you'll need the software, and you'll need these two objects right here. We don't use these really small cards. We have one of these. It'll be in the control panel of the 3D printer on the left side. And then we have these in a drawer, which I will show you where they're at when it's time to do it. So I will close that. I will maximize my program. And so once your solid model has been sliced, you're going to export it. And it's very easy to do. You're going to click on Export G-Code, and it's going to ask you where you want to save it. And so I don't have one plugged into mine, but once you plug in your USB to SD card reader into your computer, and you plug the SD card into the device, the USB to SD card reader, it will show up as one of your options here. I'm just going to save mine to the desktop, and it will, based on the name of the file you brought in, it will give it a name. And this information is important. It's talking about the quality it's going to lay down, which we selected as 0.15. It's going to select the material. This is the printer, and here's the code. And so I click OK. It is now exported the finished product to the SD reader, and then you're going to take the SD reader out of the USB SD card reader and take that SD card and plug it into the left side of the control panel. The only thing you have to be mindful of is when you plug in the SD card into the control panel of the printer, the little gold bars that are on one end of the little SD card must be facing up when you plug it into the left side of the control. And that's it.